Hi everyone, welcome to an SMB Solutions Cloud Services technical video. Now, when you're inside your cloud session, you can actually save documents and files such as PDFs and spreadsheets into what's called your C drive inside the cloud environment. Now, this isn't exactly a problem, but it can get quite messy, and not everything inside the cloud environment, such as your desktop, is considered a mission critical backup. So to streamline this process and navigation for all of our users, the team at SMB Solutions have created the S Drive. Now, at this stage, the S Drive is available alongside your C and D drives, which you may be a little bit more familiar with. But to avoid confusion and disruption, soon you're only going to be able to see your S Drive available in your cloud environment. Now, the best part about this S Drive is that each user will have their own drive and it will be backed up every single day. So you know when you're saving your documents to this location, they're going to be safe and secure no matter what might happen. So what I'm going to show you today is I'm going to show you how to access your S Drive and how to make it easier to access next time you want to see it. Okay, so here in front of you, we've got the SAP open inside my SMB Solutions Cloud environment. I'm going to show you an example on one of our sales orders today. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the sales module over on the left-hand side. I'm going to click sales order. And let's just bring up the last one that we had available. Okay, so I like to have my sales orders as PDF, so I'm just going to click the PDF button up here, give it a moment to load. And that's all there. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go down to Save As. Now I'm going to go down to this folder here that says Browse. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now where we want to go inside Browse is we want to go to this PC option. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom here. So as I mentioned before, you can see your C drives and your D drives currently still available, but today we want to look at the S drive. Now before we just go ahead and click straight into the S drive, let's make it easier to access next time. Now, the way to make it easier to access is to pin it to your quick access bar up the top here. So you can see I've already done that. And to do that, what you want to do is you want to go right click on your S drive and you want to click pin to quick access. Now, if for whatever reason you decide you don't want it in your quick access anymore, it's very easy to unpin it. You just go to the S drive underneath quick access, you right click here and you click unpin from quick access and it won't be there anymore. Okay, so let's go ahead and click inside my S drive. You can see I've already got a couple of other sales orders here. I'm going to go ahead and click save. And that's my PDF sales order saved into my S drive inside the cloud environment. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful today. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team either via phone, email, or through our ticketing system. Otherwise, if you've enjoyed this video, feel free to head on over to our YouTube channel or our Wistia channel. We have heaps of other stuff, heaps of other tutorials and tips and tricks videos, not just on the SMB Solutions Cloud environment, but also on SAP in general. We've also got an FAQ page available on our website for anyone who's interested or has a couple of questions. But we have heaps of resources available. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time.